What's up, guys? Welcome to Wisdom Outdoors. I'm going to hit you with a quick unboxing video today because it is Firearm Friday here on the channel, and I am unboxing a new deer gun. Pretty excited about that. So yeah, let's check it out. I'll give you my first impressions. This is the Savage 110 Apex Hunter XP. Mine is chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. It's going to be my deer gun, but you know, I can probably use it for predator control as well. All kinds of stuff, you know. Manufacturer's suggested retail price is $900, so this comes into, you know, just under $1,000. I got it on sale Wild Wednesday at Cabela's, so I paid a little bit less than that, which is awesome. You know, sort of a mid-level gun. If you're hunting in a swamp, if you're going into the bush at, you know, at 5 in the morning in the dark, it's raining, it's snowing, as it is so often here in Quebec. It's nice to not have a $5,000 rifle with you. You know, this thing can get scratched up, get dinged up, get wet, get beaten, get dirty, and I won't feel too bad. It comes with a bore-sighted Crossfire 2 from Vortex, an American company. I've wanted a Vortex scope for a while now, so I mean, it's pretty slick. And that comes, you know, ready to shoot out of the box. As fun as it is doing your own build, you know, getting the right rings, ordering your scope. It's also nice sometimes just to have it ready to shoot out of the box like this. Obviously, I'm gonna have to, you know, fine tune that at 100 yards, but to know that she's pretty much ready to go out of the box for under $1,000 was pretty tempting, and I went ahead and picked one up. You can check out here the adjustable stock. That's pretty cool. You can add or remove these. I'm a pretty big guy, so I'll probably go ahead and add some more. I'm 6'3". I have pretty long ass arms, so I think that's going to be good to really get it. Same thing with the trigger. It has that Accu trigger, which is adjustable. So I'm going to get this thing perfectly set up for myself, but just looking through that Vortex scope, man, is it bright. 3 by 9 by 40 millimeter. And yeah, and no, you know, the action is not as smooth as my Tikka. It's you know what? It's getting a little better, you know, having done that a few dozen times. It's feeling good. Detachable 4-round magazine, another one in the chamber. I'll probably go ahead and order a second one. That's just me. I like to have an extra magazine, but boy, that feels good. But not quite as smooth as a higher end $2,000 rifle that you might have to put a $1,500 scope on. But again, that's a good thing if you need a beater gun, a truck gun, a gun that you can get dirty, muddy, drop out of a tree, get it covered in blood while you're dragging a deer through the dark in through a swamp, whatever it is you choose to do with your time. Sometimes it's nice to have sort of a mid-level gun. So it feels really good. This is my first Savage, but I've done quite a bit of reading, and definitely I'm liking the look of this. I'm gonna throw on, where is it? I did pick this up as well at Cabela's. It's on sale, so that's kind of cool with the snow camo. It even holds a couple of cartridges, so that's gonna look good. As well in the box, you know, they give you the earplugs. They give you a trigger lock. You get some Savage stickers. You get all of the Vortex. This is nice, sort of suede, and it's pretty cool. I think these screws are for taking that butt plate off and adjusting this if you need longer or shorter. You know, so we'll see, but that feels good. Comes in just under 8 pounds, 7.96 pounds, with an overall length in the 6.5 Creedmoor of 44.5 inches. I think the barrel itself is 24 inches with the 6.5 Creedmoor. But yeah, feels really good. Grippy, you know, this is nice. There's even a little grip on the bolt there. And anyways, I will do another video. It's kind of, you know, it's not the nicest weather out, and so I don't think I'll be shooting this today, but I will be shooting this soon, and I'm pretty excited. I really like my new rifle. Yeah, and 6.5 Creedmoor. I'll show you what they look like too, because I went ahead. That's the one thing too with ammo right now in Canada. It can be a pain in the ass finding, especially 6.5 Creedmoor. Some of the more popular, but this is what they look like, and yeah, And some people laugh at 6.5 Creedmoor. There's a lot of jokes, but it's really accurate. You know, the ballistics are really good. I've done a lot of research. You know, would I go moose hunting with this? Probably not. But for a deer gun and for my needs here in southern Quebec, I think it's going to be just perfect. And I'm pretty happy about this. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions. You know, maybe I will go shoot this. It's gonna be hard not to go try this thing out. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you like Savage in the comments. Do you own a Vortex scope? Let me know what you think. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. You know what, the sun, it looks like the sun's coming out. I'm gonna go shoot this thing. Have a great day, guys. Wisdom Outdoors.